Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel Ayala and I'm a product manager on the Confluence Cloud team. I'm excited to be speaking with you all today about how we're supercharging Confluence Cloud for your entire organization. Confluence is a team workspace where knowledge and collaboration meet. It's built around spaces and pages for teams of any size. We believe that by capturing all of the knowledge in your team's heads in one central workspace, everyone can move their work forward at the same time and be more productive and successful. Confluence is open by default by design, which we believe empowers people to find the information they need and stay aligned so they don't waste cycles and duplicate work. We also have a powerful ecosystem and plug into marketplace and third-party services, so teams can keep using their favorite tools and bring them into Confluence as a single source of truth. This helps teams stay on top of their work wherever it's happening. And finally, we believe that Confluence can scale to your entire organization, helping all teams stay on the same page and move their work forward. To date, Confluence has been incredibly successful with tech teams, but we're still early in the journey to making Confluence useful and valuable for your entire organization. Modern teams and projects are fluid and constantly changing, so having all teams on a single tool and sharing a single source of truth benefits your whole organization. We're laser focused on making sure the product is more valuable for you and your entire organization. We've seen how successful this can be with customers like HubSpot, who use Confluence everywhere. They use it across the company for important announcements like business updates and new offices. Marketing uses it for project planning. Product uses it for documentation. Sales and support use it as a knowledge base. HR people operations uses it for communicating new benefits and recruiting strategies. And business enablement uses it for documentation. We're excited to enable more customers to use Confluence in a similar way and realize all of the benefits of our tool across your organizations. Confluence today is very complex. We've added a lot of features to it over the past few years, but haven't made the product more useful and accessible to new customers. As a result, it's difficult to get started using Confluence as a new team or new user, which creates added overhead for site admins. Also, the product isn't tailored to helping teams be successful regardless of their role, which is especially true of folks in non-technical teams. In addition, we don't play nicely with other tools, which makes it difficult for customers to stay across their work wherever it is and keep their teams on the same page. And finally, our cloud product simply doesn't scale to larger organizations. To address these issues, we've made a number of improvements to the product experience, including simplifying the core experience, improving onboarding for admins and end users to make it easier to just get going, adding templates for content and other tailored experiences so it's easier for all teams to start creating and collaborating on content immediately, adding more integrations with third-party services, and finally, making the product more performant and scalable to larger organizations. We're simplifying onboarding so all members of your organization can quickly get started with Confluence without your help. For example, we're helping new users quickly find the teams and spaces they work most closely with so they can jump right into collaborating with their teams. New users will land on their new home experience where they can orient themselves, find recent work, and discover new information that can be valuable to their work. Our search is faster than ever. We also have a number of new search filters and advanced search features, making it easier and more intuitive for users to find the content and people they are looking for. Our new template gallery features over 80 rich and useful templates for every team, helping you jump right into creation. You can also explore and preview templates directly from the gallery, helping your team quickly find the right structure to get started with creating. And with our new powerful editor, you can add content and features with the / command. Also, with our new G Drive and Office integrations, you can bring team knowledge from other applications directly into Confluence. You can mention your team to collaborate with them. And when you're ready, hit publish and they'll be notified. In-context page analytics help you quickly track how your content is being viewed and interacted with in your organization. And our new and improved commenting feature makes it easier to have team discussions, mark up content, and express your opinions to get to done faster. And in just a few months, you'll be able to create, view, and resolve comments both on pages and directly in the editor. We've been working hard to make sure your mobile experience matches your web experience, so we recently rolled out a new editor on mobile. The mobile editor uses the same platform component as web, so it looks the same on mobile and even in Jira. We're also rolling out a new viewing experience on mobile. When you're on the go and you want to stay informed, you can read pages quickly and they'll appear just as they do on the web. We're really excited to show you some of the premium features we're bringing to admins who are in growing organizations and have had pain points with managing content at scale. You can spin up a new space for your product marketing team by copying permissions from another space, like marketing. Space level overrides allow admins to enforce a set of space permissions across the entire site. So if you have multiple spaces for a particular group, like your project or development teams, you'll soon be able to set permissions for those teams across multiple spaces at once. This is admin key. If you're an admin, you've probably seen a message like this. Someone needs access to a page and is locked out. With admin key, you can get temporary access to restricted pages to get in really quickly to see what's going on. Also, restricted pages appear in your page tree, and you can make permissions changes necessary to unblock people. So situations that might have taken your admin days or weeks to fix now take a fraction of the time. Inspecting permissions helps admins with a similar issue, because it's easy to figure out who has access to certain pages and who doesn't. You can easily go to the permissions dialog on any page, see what's going on with permissions on a certain page for a user, and go in to address the issue. While this feature is mainly for admins, end users have access to it as well. Also, Premium Analytics lets you get insights and stay on top of how your team is using Confluence. As you add more users from different departments, analytics can help you learn more about how your team is using Confluence, see what content is most active and what people in your organization are looking for, and identify what content is out of date or unused to help you archive. Soon you'll be able to file away multiple pages at once and keep your spaces tidy and updated for your teams, especially new team members. You'll also be able to set up simple rules to auto-archive and delete, saving admins more time and automating more of their work. So with that, I'll just leave you with one more thought. Think of a team in your organization that's not using Confluence today, and invite them in. You'll see how it transforms the way you work. For additional resources and to learn more about how you can use our products, you can go to Atlassian.com/teamcentral for advice and how-tos on how to use Atlassian products for project planning, collaboration, knowledge sharing, and employee engagement. Atlassian.com/webinars for discovering upcoming and past webinars and to learn more about our products and how to use them more effectively. And Atlassian.com/community to find articles, ask questions, and join discussions about Atlassian products. Thank you.